Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So for today's video, I've got a tutorial for you guys. I'm gonna create this beautiful glitter eyeliner makeup look, which I think is perfect for the upcoming weddings and festivals. Also, I've shared these steps in proper details, so I think it's perfect for all the beginners out there who want to learn how to do makeup. And not only this, I've shared some tips and tricks on how you can level up or level down this particular look according to your requirement. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And before I begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a video. And now let's just dive right into the video. I'm using this 24K Nudes palette from Maybelline, New York. It has got 12 shades. I'm going to use this brown one for today. I'll be covering my entire lid using this eyeshadow puffing brush. Also, make sure you blend properly to avoid any sort of harsh lines. Next, I'm going to use this Lakme Insta liner. Now, if you're a beginner, this liner is just perfect for you. The applicator is really good and makes the application really easy. Now, I'm just applying a normal thin eyeliner, nothing special. But yes, if you're using fake lashes, make sure you apply a thick liner. Otherwise, just go for the normal thin one. Next, I'm using my most favorite Colorbar's Dreamland eyeshadow palette. I'm going to pick up this golden foil shade for the glitter eyeliner. Using this small liner brush, I'm going to start applying my liner directly over the black liner I had just applied. I'm starting from the center. You can start from anywhere you're comfortable with. Make sure you apply very carefully, especially on the edges. Also, you can use any colored liner or any eyeshadow, whatever your choice is, you can use that because it's really simple. You just have to outline the previously applied liner and you're good to go. Also, I've got a 20% discount coupon for you guys, so check the description box for more details. Next, I'm just covering up the lower lash line using the same brown shade. To highlight, I'm using this silver pigment from the same palette. Now, I think this step instantly adds drama to your entire look, so I really love this step, but you can definitely skip it if you want a simple, decent look. Next, I'm using this mascara from Rimmel London. Now, all the products are linked in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. You can use false lashes if you want a super glammed up look, but for today, I'm just using this mascara. And that's it, the look is complete, guys. I told you it was really simple. Let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed watching it. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a video, and keep coming back for more videos.